Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer and this is
Ashlynn.
And today we are here because we're going to be doing Ashlynn's Christmas
Stitch Fix unboxing.
For those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is a personal styling service that is offered for men, women, and children. And so we have done this box today to kind of update Ashlynn's winter wardrobe. Basically, you pay a $20 styling fee, and then a stylist chooses how many items?
10 items for kids.
And 5 items for adults. And so those items get shipped to you for free, and then you get to try them on in the comfort of your own home. I have her set up to get her boxes about every 3 months, but we went ahead and did this one a little bit early just to get some winter wardrobe update for her. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the box to see what we've got this month. All right, when you open up the box, you get your prepaid mailer. Kids get some stickers, which are fun. We have her envelope with her stylist note and her price invoice sheet. So we're gonna look at her note real quick. And her stylist has been Erica, and it says, "Hi Ashlynn, I hope you're ready for another fix because here comes your number 6. To keep you warm and snuggly this winter, I started you off with this fuzzy pink jacket. Wear it with the tops and printed leggings to create some magical looks. Then mix it with a dress, adding these gray fleece-lined leggings underneath for extra warmth. Happy holidays and enjoy. Erica. P.S. I can't wait to hear which pieces are your new faves, so please ask your mom to let me know as she checks out." And the kids get these little style cards too, which are cute. And then she has 3 bundles in here.
And I'm excited to see what's inside on all 3.
She has not peeked. I know what's in there, but she does not, so she has no idea.
So in the first one, we have the...
It is a pink, like a dusty pink rose jacket, and it says, let me see the tag here. The tag says, Kensie Girl Callan Jacket, pink, size 7-8, and it looks like this.
Right here, it feels like really soft.
It's got like these very satiny sleeves with like little star print in there. Can you see the little star, Ashlynn?
I can see it.
What do you think about that jacket?
I like it.
It's cute. Might be a little bit small. She is kind of getting to like the size 8 to 10 size, so we might have to look at sizing that up. Here's your second bundle. You want to show them the bundle?
There's that bundle.
Looks like that. See some stripes. She likes stripes.
There we go. So first we have this striped top with long sleeves.
And it looks like, I can't tell if it's navy or black. It's a little striped top. It's got a little knot in the front. It's really soft. And the tag says, Crown of Hearts, Kiley twist front long sleeve top, and it says navy. So it is navy. It's really super soft and cute. So do you like that?
Next up, this shirt says love.
So it's a little hooded pullover here, and it's got unicorns on it, and it says love. Let's see who this is by. It says RUMI and RYDER, the step hem graphic hoodie in gray. And so it has like a little high-low hem there, like a little shorter hem. It's got a little slit on the side. Yeah, what do you think about that?
I like it.
She likes hoodies and pullovers quite a bit. So we've got a dress here. It's navy. Let me read the tag. It's by the brand Joules, and it says Alina jersey skater dress in navy. And it's a size 8, so we may have to size that up if you decide to keep it. It's got a little cuff sleeve here. Just a basic little cotton dress. That'd be cute with some leggings, right? Do you like that? More unicorns. I see a theme here, don't you?
Yes.
So this is by Capelli, New York. It is a Shelby fleece-lined seamless legging in gray. And it's just these little unicorn leggings like that. Let's feel inside. Yeah, it's got that soft fleece lining, but they're really cute. Okay.
I think these next ones I'm gonna love. They have more unicorns, but there's like bubbles all over the place.
Oh yeah, so once again, it is by Capelli, New York, Shelby fleece lined seamless legging, and these ones say that they're in pink, but these are very short for her.
And it's very stretchy in the legs.
They're just a little bit short, and she's pretty tall, so, okay. One more bundle.
So this is what it looks like on this side. And this is what it looks like on the other side.
Okay, go ahead and open it up.
This,
more unicorns.
This shirt says unicorn
vibes.
Unicorn vibes.
So it's a little pink top. It's got some ties on the sides. It's really cute. It's pink. This is by Love Glam Girl. The Dani lace-up detail graphic tee in pink. So that's really cute. Lots of sparkle, lots of unicorns in this box, huh?
Uh-huh. And here comes another unicorn thing. And it's another, like, hood thing.
Like another hooded pullover.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's really soft.
With a little cross right there.
So this is, let's see who it's by. This is by Third Wish Clothing, Arizona lace-up hoodie in pink. And so it has that cute little unicorn in the corner. It's got the little lace-up in the front.
And it has a little unicorn right there.
Little stripe detail on the sleeve. So that's really cute and very, very soft. Yep. No unicorns here. Flowers.
Flowers.
Oh, that's really cute. So let's see what the tag says. It says, another dress by Joules, the Alina jersey skater dress in white, size 8. I do think we're going to have to size up these dresses, though. She's really grown like a weed, but it has a cute little keyhole in the back, little pretty floral print. These dresses are perfect for church, and they're also good for wearing to school. So that's really cute. What do you think about that?
I love that.
And one more thing.
It's pants.
Ooh.
And they're really stretchy up here.
Let me read the tag. It says, RUMI and RYDER London fleece lined legging in dark gray. These are really cute. Just a really nice little gray fleece lined legging. You can see they're really soft inside, really comfy. So those would be great to go with some of those pullovers and shirts and things like that. So, all right, we're gonna go ahead and go do a
try on.
And we'll be right back. All right, so we are back with the first 2 pieces, and she has on the unicorn vibe shirt and a pair of the fleece line leggings. But overall, Ashlynn, what do you think?
I love the shirt and the pants. I just think the pants need to get a little sized up. I love the shirt. It fits me perfectly.
So do you think this is 2 thumbs up?
Mm-hmm.
We just need to change the pants for a different size.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we'll be back with the next outfit. So we are back with the next outfit, and this is that second pair of fleece lined leggings that are also going to be need to be sized up, and then this little hooded pullover with the unicorn. Ashlynn, what you think?
I think it looks really good, and I like the hoodie, and I like this whole entire outfit, but I think these need sized up a little, just like the other ones.
And we may try to size up on the pullover as well, because just to give her a little extra wear out of it, that way she can wear it maybe a little bit longer. But overall, what do you think?
2 thumbs up.
All right, we'll be back with the next outfit. All right, so we are back with this unicorn hoodie, and Ashlynn, what do you think about that?
I think it's really cute, and we just found out that it has pockets. I like where it says like love, and then whenever you go upside down, you can just read it automatically.
And she left it on with these leggings, and it matches perfectly with those leggings, so I think that's a really cute outfit. So I really hope we can exchange those pants. So
yes.
Overall, the hoodie is?
2 thumbs up.
All right, we'll be right back. All right, we are back with this first dress, and this is that dress by Joules, and it's got the little unicorns on it. And Ashlynn, what do you think about that?
I think I give it 2 thumbs up. I like the unicorns and the little stars with those little lines details, like they're shooting across the sky.
And this seems to fit perfectly, and it would be cute with some little gray or hot pink leggings. Yeah, so I think that's a good choice. What do you think?
I think it will be 2 thumbs up.
All right, we'll be back with the next dress. All right, we are back with the second dress, and it's the same brand and the same dress, just a different print. It's got a stripe and a floral print. And what do you think about that, Ashlynn?
I give it 2 thumbs up. I like where it has like these details. I like the stripes. And I like how the flowers are like 2 different colors.
Yeah, that's really cute. That'd be perfect for church, wouldn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And she likes these types of dresses because they're really comfortable. So.
And let me show you a spoon.
We've got one more outfit and the jacket. We'll be right back. So we're back with this next outfit, and this is the gray fleece lined leggings by RUMI and RYDER, and the striped top with the knot. What do you think about that, Ashlynn?
I give this outfit 2 thumbs up. I like how it's like navy stripes. I like the gray pants.
The top is really soft. The only thing I'm worried about is sometimes these knots don't want to stay put together. So, but I think we'll be okay with that one maybe. What do you think?
I give it 2 thumbs up, and I like how it has like this around the neck.
Okay. You want to put that jacket on real quick?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. I think this jacket is going to be too small because it's a 7/8, and you're more like an 8 to 10 right now.
Yeah. I think it fits great.
I think we could size it up and get a little bit more wear out of it.
Yeah.
Do you think it's cute?
Mhm.
It's a little bit of a shorter jacket.
And I like where it has this.
Mhm.
And it's kind of fuzzy right here.
Mhm.
And let me show you the stars if I can find one. There's one.
Yeah. So that's a cute jacket. We have some jackets, but you can never have too many jackets. That one's a little bit stylish. Might need to size that up, I think.
2 thumbs ups.
All right. We'll be back with a recap. All right, guys, we are back to do a recap and talk about prices. So the first item in the box was the Capelli New York Shelby fleece lined seamless leggings in gray, and the cost of these are $12. We are definitely going to have to size up both pairs of those leggings. So the second item was the same brand, Capelli New York Shelby fleece lined seamless legging in pink, and it is also $12. Next is the Love Glam Girl Dani lace-up detail graphic. That was this one in pink, and it is $18, and we thought that fit really well. Next is the RUMI and RYDER the Step Hem graphic hoodie in gray, and that was this one, and that fit really well, and Ashlynn really liked that one, didn't you? Next is the dress by Joules, the Alina jersey skater dress in white, and it is $30. A little pricier, but I know she'll wear it a lot to church and school. Okay, and those dresses fit really well. Next is the Third Wish Clothing, the Arizona lace-up hoodie in pink. That is $20. Another Joules Alina jersey skater dress in navy, and it's $30. So the dress, those 2 dresses were on the pricier side of the box, so. But they wash up really well and they fit really well. The Kensie Girl Callan jacket in pink, and this was in a size 7/8, and I think we're gonna have to size up on this to get the wear that we want out of it. And it is the most expensive thing in the box, and it is $34. Next, RUMI and RYDER the London fleece lined leggings in dark gray. And those were really comfortable. These leggings were a lot bigger than the other leggings, and so they are $16. I don't think we're gonna need to size those up. And then last but not least, we have the Persaya Girl Kiley twist front long sleeve top in navy, and it was $16, and that one seemed to fit really well as well. So the stylist pick subtotal was $212. The buy all discount of 25% would take off $53. Our order subtotal would be $159, and then we have that $20 styling fee purchase credit that would go towards the order. So for the entire box, for all 10 items, it would be $139, which is really, really good for 10 pieces of clothing, including jackets and pants and shirts and hoodies and all kinds of things. So if you have any questions, let me know. Tell us what you think we should keep, and we'll leave our referral link in the description box. That way, if you want to get $25 off your box, you can. And until next time, bye guys.
Bye.